Hey guys, Glen Murray, Affiliate Profit Pages. If you're in my university, that's great. If you're checking me out on YouTube, I make videos about helping people make money online with affiliate marketing. Doing funnels, I have courses. I also have a coach. I refer people to my coach and training, that kind of stuff. So if you're brand new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're brand new to the university, make sure you ask me questions about what you want done. A lot of people just join these things and they go quiet. They're like, oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know. Don't want to ask a dumb question. I don't want to and then they sit there and they don't get anything out of it. So the best way to get stuff out of it is actually be active, participate. So today I'm going to talk about Instagram growth. So as some of you know, I took one account and I grew it to 130,000 followers. And then I had a whole bunch of imposters, and I'm struggling to right now. Meta is basically throttling my account because I've got imposters messaging people, and then those people are reporting my account as being a scam account. So now I'm just fighting with that, and it's totally verified and everything. It's just this is one of the headaches you're going to have when you grow your Instagram account, especially if you're in the affiliate marketing, resell marketing, any kind of sort of marketing online. You're going to get imposters that are going to try to use your good name and message people that follow you in order to sell them into scammy products. Now, that's just reality. So what I'm doing is I'm building another account, and I'll show you both accounts, and I'll show you basically my spreadsheet of how I sort of projected on real numbers on how fast my growth will go, and see if I'm exceeding my expectations or not. So I've kind of got just a simple spreadsheet that shows you, my projected, what I think I should be able to grow and what I'm actually growing at. So that's it. If you have any questions, drop them into the comments below and let's get into it. So I'm going to share my screen here. Okay, you should be seeing right now. Now I'm seeing it. So you should be seeing, if you're in affiliate profit pages on Skool, then this is what you'll see. There's courses in here. If you want to get into it, just go to Affiliate Profit Pages University and sign up. It's $97 a month. You can stay as long as you want. You can learn from me, and then you can go out, or you can follow me and help me build this community out. Okay, so I'm going to show you, this is my main account. So this is 130,000 followers. I've had videos that have 2.5 million. Even with my account being throttled, I'm still getting 2,000 to 3,000 views, 4,000 views on this account for videos just from my followers. And I'm re-engaging with them, and I'm picking up probably when it wasn't throttled, I was getting a couple hundred leads a day from it. I'm probably getting about 30 to 50 leads a day still, because I have 130,000 followers. There's a lot of people that, follow, watch occasionally, that kind of stuff. It depends on where it comes up in the algorithm. So that's this account. My other account, my new account, this is Glen Murray Online. So, I'm using the same format, and just so you guys know, you have to really, this is a video I just put up. It's only got one view. Let's refresh it, see if it's gotten more views yet. Oh, it's up to 3 views. So I'm just going to go with you through my method on how I know which videos to make. So if you follow me, you might go, Glen, you keep making the same video over and over. Well, you know what? It actually works. It's just like a commercial, guys. It's people see the same commercial over and over. And if it's slightly different, they watch it. And all you need to do is just remake a version of it and watch it. And it just makes them more familiar with you. They know that you're consistent. Especially if you're showing them how to do something. Like, say you're like, for example, if you watch, I love to cook. I love to barbecue. If you're watching barbecue videos, there's people making the same steak over and over and over. It's just a new video of them doing the same thing. But you know what? I watch it. Like, how many ways can you watch someone cook a ribeye or picanha or whatever? It's the same thing. So you want to find what works with your audience, what works with your personality, and that's what you want to quadruple down on. I don't mean double down on, but you want to quadruple down on that. So just so you know, going back here, prior to when I started rebuilding this, so I made this account, I don't know, probably in the spring, I think. I don't know when the oldest video, there's 242 posts on here. So it's been around for a while. Well, it's been around since Dexter. So Dexter is a year old. All right, we've had him for a year. No, we haven't even had him for a full year yet. Oh, it's coming up. We've almost had them for a full year. So this account is less than a year old. I created it and then I didn't do any. Actually, I probably created it in January when my account got blocked for my other account got blocked for a little bit. So I created it, and you'll see at the very beginning, I was throwing a bunch of stuff on it, not knowing what was going to work, right? So I just started. You can see 75 views, 40 views. Even the talking heads that I'm doing today, we're only getting a few views. Let me see. Yeah, this I know that post is January, so this is back to January. Okay, so you'll see 77, 36, 24, 34. So I wasn't, this is brand new account, wasn't getting a lot of traction. And then you see that one of these, 105. And that was my first sort of, and it was this another idiot proof side hustle 200. And I don't say go make this exact video because it may not work for you. But look at, and then this one, I tried the title up here, it got 117 views. So this one only got 84, this one got 125. These ones 73, but you can see that you can see my like I was trying it back here, and that one got 168. So I knew this style was going to work. I just had to keep making them. So and it still didn't do it, but these ones only got 50 views, 32 views, but I knew that some of them would click and go over 100. So I knew that if I kept making those, they're going to grow 158, 161, back to a 58, back to 45. This one again, I changed where the header was up here. Now so this is an outlier. This was a non-talking video that did 142 and a non-talking one that did 162. This one only did 50. So again, I dabbled, and then look at this, boom, I get a 550. So I go, okay, I know this style will work. So what am I doing different in this one that I'm not doing in this one? Was it the time I put it up? Was it how I spoke? Was it how close I was to the camera? How far away from the camera? All those kind of things. When did the captions pop up? And I just kept studying the videos that got better and better and better. Of course, I still kept trying other stuff occasionally, but I really started to even playing guitar. I really started to double down on the simple side hustle in 230. So it kept going, kept going. Okay, so I stopped posting on this account in April, I think. And I just kind of left it. Maybe I posted once or twice every month because my other account was doing fine. So I and you can see when I come back to it, the views are down because I wasn't being consistent posting on here. So and low, low, low. Even though I know this style works, they were still low. But because I'd gotten a few results with it, I knew it was going to work. So when did I start? Okay, so trying to see when did I think it was September 13th or something. I started posting regularly here, somewhere around here. Yeah, somewhere around this is the peony, so it's after this. So somewhere around here, and I just started going, okay, I'm gonna just build this channel out. And what I did is I took sort of I started basically seeding it. And look at these videos, 1200, 300, 200, 300, 400. I know they're working 200, 600, 200, 200, 181, 1700, 280, 1500, right? And it's just, and I was just still, I'm always testing stuff out, but I know that these can pop off 1,000. I still haven't had a big one pop off on this account yet, but look at this. All of a sudden, 1200, 240, 700, 1700, 1300, 13, 16, 2300, 13. This one is brand new, 3. Okay, so this is the growth chart I created. And you can see that October 6th, I decided I'm going to chart this, and I was doing about 5% growth. So I just put in a formula, 5% growth for 30 days. I'll hit 1,000 followers in 30 days, approximately, right? Now, you might not have 5% growth, you might have 3% growth, but it's just nice to chart your growth. What's actually happening, these are my actual numbers. So as of the 7th, I had 250 followers. And then on October 8th, I had 265. So I had a 6% growth. And this morning I woke up to 284. So I had a 7% growth. So my growth is actually about a day and a half ahead of this, and it's exceeding thing. Now you don't have to focus on these. You can just focus on making the videos and doing the process. But I like to see my results. I have to see it so I know that I'm on the right formula or I'm on the right method. So you can see I lost a follower this morning, so I'm down to 283, but I'm just keeping because it was 284 the first thing this morning, and I should get that back soon. So how do I make these videos? What's my formula? How come these are popping off? Let me share. So as you can see, if you haven't used CapCut, I'll put a link below. Go get it. It is an affiliate link. I haven't made a sale on it, so I don't know if it did. That's only if you go to the pro, you can use the free. It seems like they're really pushing people into the pro plan, which is totally worth it because there's so many functions in it. It's the best editor I've used. It's the simplest. So how does it work? You basically I shoot. You can see anywhere from 5, 6, 4, 4, 3. I shoot short little bursts of videos. Pick up my phone, shoot on my phone, and I'll just shoot 3 to 5 seconds is how long they are. Maybe the longest one is 7 seconds. And then I drag them all on the timeline here. I shoot them in the order of the video so I know what I'm doing. Some people would shoot all the talking ones and then shoot the other ones afterwards. I actually shoot in order. It's probably waste some time, but this is the way I shoot it. I put them all in there and then I run the captions. I generate captions. You need to have the pro version to do captions, but I just think they're more effective. And then I have text and I have presets. So I just drop the presets on. So this is my video. Okay. Your video may be different, but this is what I do. I do an introduction, right? So I catch them. There's my hook. That's the thing they're going to see when they scroll past right there. Another idiot proof site has $200 commissions, beginner step to making money from your passion. Okay. So that's what they're going to see. It's like, oh, I'm going to click on that to see what it is. So it says super simple side hustle anybody can do. And it talks about like what we're going to set up in this right away within 7 seconds, probably 7 to 8 seconds. I tell people to save this video so they can come back to it or save, like, and follow this video. I give them a prompt to save it. Just like I'm saying, if you're on my YouTube channel, hit subscribe button now so you know you're going to see my stuff when it comes out. So I tell them to save. Then I tell them, let's go do it. I'm going to show you what to do. And then I do approximately a third of the video is just a demonstration. And I make the demonstration very high level. Like I don't go into all the details of it, but I give them enough to show them like, oh, wow, that is really simple. I'm just like, go get an affiliate link, go find a product, find some content, post it on social media, put your affiliate link on your social media, and then continue, repeat, right? Then I come back on screen. I say, now if anyone, now I give them the results of what I just showed them they can do. All right. So I've told them what I'm going to tell them. I'm asking them to save. I show them what what I told them I'm going to tell them, and then I tell them the results that they can get by doing it. And then after those results, I switch it to my call to action, and I say, I've showed you how to do this. Now, if you want to do what I do, which is slightly different because I sell info products instead of physical products in this particular video, then I have a guide set up to do what I do, not this. This has already been explained to them. So I tell them I have a guide for them to do what I do, comment guide or comment learn, and I'll send you my free guide. And if you guys haven't created a free guide, you need to create one. If you're using the cheetah method, make sure you put your links into it, brand it, because if you're giving out that cheetah method with my links in it, I'm making the commissions, and I see commissions all the time I'm pretty sure from people that haven't rebranded that cheetah method. They're giving it away, And basically, they're not rebranding it, so I'm getting the commission. So you got to make sure you rebrand it. It's all in the instructions. Let me show you. If you're in affiliate profit pages, right here, cheetah method, this is where you get the full breakdown. You get the video, you get all the videos, you get the brand new cheetah method. You can rebrand it. I've also got this funnel, which is really good. This is kind of like a free system you can give people, and you can put your own affiliate links into. You just walk through the steps. You can import that into your ClickFunnels. This shows you how to use ClickFunnels. I do show how to do system. Let me jump on. Anyways, if you want to get into affiliate profit pages, either message me. I'll put a link in the description below, or if you're in the group, comment what you want me to teach you. This is where all my trainings go. Like every week, I put new trainings in there. So if you don't have your own, another way to make a free guide to give away is go to Canva or go to ChatGPT, ask it to write you a free affiliate marketing setup guide or whatever. Take it to Canva, make it your own, style it, put your links in, whatever it is, and then share that if you don't want to use cheetah method, if you don't want to do that thing. Now, another big question I get asked about, why do I use ClickFunnels and Aweber? It's easy for me. I really like it. It cost me, I have the higher expensive ClickFunnels because I just have a lot more funnels. But for starting out, $97 a month for ClickFunnels. And for starting out with Aweber, I think it's $15. So your entire basically your budget plus your domain, you're looking at about, domain's like $10 a year, right? So, or your hosting for your email is let's call it $25, because you don't even have to have a full domain. You can just point the domain at ClickFunnels, and you can have your email right at Google Workspace, or you can have it at Namecheap, wherever you want. That's all in the setup guide. Basically, you have an entire business that you can scale to any amount you want. You can take this literally and be generating multi six figures a month just with a $97 subscription to ClickFunnels, and your email would probably grow. So maybe you're spending $30 a month on Aweber, and that's your domain doesn't change anything. So basically, for less than $200, you could run a multi-million-dollar business. I'm not joking at all. Like you might go, what? Well, you'd have to pay for your internet. You have to pay for your phone, of course, but you're going to have those things anyway. But the tools that you need online, that's it. So when people are going, oh, it's so expensive, I'm like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Like when I was doing real estate, my nut was like $2,500, $3,000 a month before I even made a sale. Like it was way more expensive. I had my desk fees, I had my license fees, I had my advertising fees, I had all these things, all this stuff set up. So, and did one commission cover it? Yeah. Well, same with this. One high ticket commission from what I'm promoting would cover, well, let's say it's a $2,000 commission. Well, that covers basically 10 months. If let's say your business costing you $200 a month, that covers 10 months of your business. One commission. So you have to think about, you don't think about, oh, what's it going to cost me now? So you have to think about, what is it going to do for me? And this is how rich people think. They don't go, oh, that's costing me. It's like, what is it going to make me? And that's why I use ClickFunnels and Aweber. You might find something else you want to use. I tried to go high level. I don't like it. It's too confining in that I can't export my leads out to another autoresponder system. Is okay. Again, I can't get my leads out of that system. And if they have bad delivery, then my email list, my email marketing goes down because of the bad delivery. So that's it, guys. I'm going to wrap it up there. If you have any questions, drop them below. If you like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you're in the university, comment, get active in there. Tell me what you need help with. I'm here. I will jump on a Zoom with you. Make sure your system is set up. I know with some of you have already I've jumped on Zooms with you, and you've gotten your system set up, and then you're off and running. I just want to get you doing this. All right. So hopefully that's helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Again, it's Glen Murray, affiliate profit pages on Skool. Instagram are at Glen Murray Online, and work with Glen Murray. Follow me there. Follow my journey. Let's see what I'm going to hit in 30 days if my projections are correct, or will my account tank? I don't know. We'll see how it goes. All right, guys. Cheers.